Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I would like to say something to my viewers and subscribers. English is not my mother tongue, so if I make any mistake while speaking, please forgive me. I truly appreciate your understanding and support. Today, instead of only playing background music, I thought it would be more interesting to share some information about the art world while I create this Zentangle design. Listening to music is relaxing, but learning something new while watching art can be even more enjoyable. So, while I draw this Zentangle step by step, I will also talk about the history of Zentangle and the person behind this beautiful art form. Today's topic is about Rich Roberts and how the Zentangle method started. Rick Roberts is an American artist, teacher, and entrepreneur. He is best known as the co-creator of the Zentangle method. The Zentangle method is creative drawing technique that uses simple repeating patterns to create beautiful design. Before becoming known in the art world, Rick Roberts had a very interesting life journey. For some time, he lived as a monk, and practiced meditation. During that period of his life, he learned a lot about mindfulness, patience, and focus. These ideas later became very important in the philosophy of Zentangle art. Rick Roberts believes that creativity should be simple and accessible for anyone. Many people think that drawing requires special talent, but Rick Roberts believes that anyone can create art if the process is simple and enjoyable. The story of Zentangle began in the year 2003. Rick Roberts worked together with an artist named Maria Thomas. Maria Thomas was working on a piece of calligraphy. One day, she was drawing detailed background patterns behind her letters. While she was drawing these repetitive patterns, she noticed something very interesting. She felt calm, peaceful, and completely focused on a drawing. As you can see on a screen, I am slowly creating the patterns step by step. While she was drawing these repetitive patterns, she noticed something very interesting. Time seems to pass very quickly because She was so relaxed and concentrated on the patterns. Later, she shared some experiences with Rick Robert. When Rick Robert heard about this feeling, he immediately recognized something familiar because of his meditation experiences. He realized that this kind of drawing created a feeling of similar to meditation. Both of them started discussing this idea. They wondered if a simple patterns could help people relax their minds and enjoy drawing without worrying about mistakes. This idea became the beginning of the Zentangle method. They created a simple drawing system that anyone could learn. The method used small pieces of paper called tiles, a pen, and a simple structured patterns. These patterns are called tangles. Instead of planning a complicated design or a drawing, artists simply draw one pattern at a time. Slowly, these patterns come together to create a beautiful design. One important idea in Zentangle is that there are no mistakes if line goes in a different direction. It can become a part of a new pattern. This philosophy helps people feel free while drawing. The Zentangle method is not only about creating art, it is also about enjoying the process of drawing slowly and mindfully. Many people say that drawing Zentangle help them relax and reduce stress. It also improves concentration and creativity. Because the method is simple, people of all ages can enjoy it. Students, teachers, artists, and even people who never thought they could draw have discovered the joy of a Zentangle. After developing the method, Rick Roberts and Maria Thomas started teaching Zentangle workshops. Zentangle workshops. They wanted to share this relaxing art form with others. Later, they created a program called the Certified Zentangle Teacher Program. Through this program, artists from different countries learn how to teach the Zentangle method to others. Because of these teachers, Zentangle has spread all over the world. Today, people practice Zentangle in many countries. It is used in art classes, workshops, theory programs, and creative activities. Many artists also combine Zentangle patterns with other art styles like mandala art, doodle art, and illustration. One of the most beautiful thing about Zentangle is its simplicity. With just pen and paper, anyone can create something unique and beautiful. As you can see in this drawing, I am creating the design step by step using Zentangle patterns. Each small patterns slowly becomes part of the bigger design. This is exactly the idea behind the Zentangle method. Simple steps, patience, and creativity. Rick Roberts and Maria Thomas believe that everyone has a creativity inside them. Zen is a simple way to discover and enjoy that creativity. Today, millions of people around the world enjoying drawing Zentangle patterns. This simple idea has inspired artists, students, and hobbyists everywhere. I personally enjoy creating Zentangle designs because it is relaxing and peaceful. While drawing these patterns, it feels like the mind becomes calm and peaceful and focused. And that is the beautiful philosophy behind the Zentangle method. Thank you so much for watching this video and sending your time and spending your time with me. I hope you enjoy watching this Zentangle design and learning a little about the story behind the Zentangle. If you like this video, please support my channel by liking the video and sharing with your friends. And if you enjoy Zentangle art and creative designs, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you again for watching. See you in the next video. Happy drawing.